Yo, hello guys. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the Roblox memory dump error on your Windows 10 or 11. If Roblox keeps on crashing or giving you that annoying memory dump message, don't worry, we have three simple fixes you can try right now. First, find your Roblox player shortcuts on the desktop. Over here, I have mine. Right click, then go and select Properties. Okay, then choose Compatibility on the tabs. And over here, before we can run the Compatibility Troubleshooter, click on Run this program. Okay, Windows 8, and then click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program in the admin. Okay, then go ahead, click on Apply, and then choose OK. Apply, OK. Now the next option would be to install Roblox on the Microsoft Store. Right, click on the Start menu, go to Microsoft Store. So instead of downloading the application from the website, download Roblox here because sometimes it will actually fix up the problem or the issues. Roblox, click on the very first option for Roblox Windows. As you can see, I already have mine installed, so just click on install, download, or put this on your PC. Wait for it to completely install the game, and once done, it should now fix your error. Now, the final step is we need to go press Windows R, right? Over here in this section, it will open up a small window. Make sure to type this percent local app data percent. Click OK, and this will open up your app data local folder on your drive. Scroll down, we need to find Roblox. Okay, so Roblox, where is my Roblox folder? Okay, so right click on this and simply click on delete. Okay, so it will automatically delete everything. Close, refresh, you may restart if you wish, and this will now fix those errors for Roblox memory dump. Now, by following all of these steps, it should now fix your Roblox memory dump errors. I hope you found this video very helpful.